I do.
Is that you sitting there? Hey, you with a fish.
Hey, good morning. Good morning.
What are you doing at the
Sorry,
desk before the market opens? What's wrong with you?
yeah, I was up very early this morning.
Trying to look at charts before the market opens. How dare you?
Sorry.
Is there anything moving at all today? I didn't see much chatter.
Yeah, nothing that I've seen it's got me keeping the chart up.
Usually I'll see something on Twitter or Luke's room that's people are chatting about, but that is not the case. Sorry, didn't mean to leave the room. Pressed the wrong button. Oop.
Morning.
Good morning.
What's going on?
Morning, Jack.
So Dekmar sends out on Twitter these up gappers and down gappers. And he's got this one ticker symbol, Zebra, X-ray, Zebra, Zebra Thomas. He was on there yesterday and today. I got so excited. Look it up. It's a NASDAQ tech test stock. Whatever the hell that is. It's obviously untradeable. But it did gap up.
I don't know if I'd be trading a test stock.
Well, you can't trade a test stock. It's not tradable.
I'm sitting here talking to you guys. I'm not in the room. That's funny.
How could you hear us?
I couldn't hear you. I was
Oh.
like, good morning. Hello? I have the news on, so I assumed I was in the room.
News is not in this room, though.
Oh, no, the news is on my YouTube because Froggo isn't here.
Yeah.
Is Farrago dead again? Are you
Oh,
sending flowers?
I don't know. I have to. He's well, I think he's done with the news after another week or so anyway, but if I remember right.
You know, at that point, he's not even going to get flowers. Maybe just a card.
UIHC got some 8.20 through 8.50 orders out to get it
No
started.
longer a
Big
news
pick play there for me.
provider,
You're basically ranked on how useful you are to me.
Yeah, it's a good way to live.
It's a little selfish, but hey, how's it working out so far?
All good so far, man.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good
Thomas.
morning.
How are you doing today, sir?
Still trying to wake up. A little sleepy.
Bro, me too, man. Rough night for me.
Did you guys go on benders?
I was at Thomas's last night. I mean, we were just having a good time.
1 minute.
I guess. Well, we got this
AK
APP up. It's
1 minute is AKA shut up, Steve.
Which one?
app APP
I haven't looked that one in a long time.
up big today. Not a lot of volume though. We got LI up too. Nice little pop overnight. Everything else is just kind of maybe follow through on like CVNA or Plitter. See what happens there. But app is up real big.
Good luck, everybody. 5 seconds.
Yeah. So no. Yeah. TPR. Yeah. MGIH. TPR. Yeah. MGIH.
Everything I had up didn't do anything.
Yeah.
No,
RGTI.
nothing.
Real. MGIH-HTB. MGIH.
MGIH, Jag, maybe we don't have shares.
Me either.
RGTI. SILV. Real. FTCH. Yeah.
It's a little
RGTI.
spready too. It's like 10 cents.
Yeah.
Buy's actually ripping up now.
Test.
We might get a rebound day today.
Watching
Yeah.
FTCH a little bit.
Yeah, it's like really moving though. I had that one up.
this app to see if it wants to do something cool.
Real.
Use AMD.
Test. UPST. OTLY. SABR. SABR. Test on earnings.
Upstart is doing upstart.
UPST.
Getting a bounce off those.
SABR.
Yeah, it's up $1.50 from the low of the Bashi. If you count the wick,
Surge.
it's up like $2.
Watching Saber, SABR.
Test. SABR. Open. Real. Test. Surge. Test.
Is this
BLND. Surge. Test. Surge.
So I should have started it.
Surge. 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 CLSK. BLND. CLSK. CLSK. TNGX. SILV. CLSK. Argo. SILV. BLND. CLSK. Argo.
Watching CLSK.
BLND. CLSK up. CLSK. SMSI up.
short this App.
Started CLSK. It's on the bid for a second there.
Yeah, I missed it.
All out.
Dollar. CLSK.
Took a little.
Argo. CLSK. LPSN.
Took a
CLSK.
while.
Still watching CLSK. It's back at the highs.
Round 2 maybe. CLSK.
I see it up through 590 now.
CLSK.
Starting to struggle right here though. Like the news was just a price target. Bullshit.
MNK.
App going lower.
Are you in something?
I'm in app. I've said it multiple times. That I'm
Yeah,
in
what's your
app.
average in it? Because it's dying like crazy, so that's good.
36.46.
Surd. MNK. Woo maybe for some.
Yeah. At the open, I try to listen to music a little bit to
Oh,
keep
no,
myself focused.
IFRX.
What was the ticker? I still didn't hear it.
App. APP.
App. Yeah, I remember you said that earlier.
Surd.
Okay. Oh, nice. A nice ripping dip.
Got a lot of room down.
Yeah, it does.
MNK.
Made a little on CLSK, but not too much.
There's a price target thing as well, looks like. Oh, they had earnings as well. Things yesterday.
TMC.
34-ish would be really cool.
Nice daily retest if it could get some speed.
Watching TAST.
I just,
Like to see it up higher.
yeah, I just wish it was a little faster.
Did you get in CLSK? Looks like that thing's still going up.
Yeah, I made a little bit on it and got out at the bottom of it.
What about you, Tim? I heard you were watching it.
TMC.
Yeah, he got out.
IFRX.
Okay.
Test. MGNX.
I guess we should have got in
IFRX.
Saber.
Took a starter in TAST.
TMC.
Thought I was getting 70, but I got 65.
IFRX.
Not you. Sorry. I was talking about what I'm doing.
All out.
Dollar. ACDC. IFRX.
ACDC is a stock? What?
Awesome.
It is awesome. Yeah, I didn't know that.
Sign me up.
IFRX.
Is an ACDC.
ACDC.
It's App Lovin' Corporation.
NVEI. Test dollar on way.
Looking for 34 on this, man. I'm trying to see if I can get it down there.
Oh, on your app, you're looking for 34?
Mm-hmm.
IFRX. IFRX.
Jesus. Okay. I guess I may right
NKLA.
now.
Yeah, that was nice, huh?
Good lord, I'm still on it. I told
ACDC.
myself, you gotta watch this, man. I've seen these happen so often lately. Alright, I'm on my left original.
NKLA.
I had to take that. That was a good drop. I'm gonna leave them way the hell up here and just move on. That made my damn all good at this point.
NKLA.
I'm such chicken shit.
NKLA.
You can jump an app with me and you didn't?
No, I did, but I got out already. I got $1 on it, and I was like, I got $1 on it. I was like, okay, because I was late. I didn't get in until 35:45. I just got out at 33:40.
Oh dang, you were way late.
I was chasing it down. I was like, you know what? Screw it. It keeps gonna keep going. I don't care. I was chasing it from like 37.
That's hilarious.
NKLA.
Well, you know where I got in. I said it, but
Yeah. And after you said you got in, and you said you see down to 34 and change, I was like, that's when I said, fuck it, I'm going. I don't care where it's at. I'm still gonna get $1.
awesome, brother.
NKLA.
CLSK trying again.
And on top of that, I doubled my start
CLSK
size
trying.
on it too, because I trusted you so much.
I did a
Looking
double
for
click on this
6.10
one,
plus.
too. I got him pretty heavy on it. I've had a lot of faith in this one.
I was okay.
Dude, through my target. Okay. If it holds here, I'm getting out. Yep. All right. I got to my target, dude. That's a freaking awesome win.
Watching the CLSK for the 6 break.
STKL.
Steve, you make me feel good at least.
MGNX.
Somebody else will trade something that I do. Every once in a while, Thomas does too, but in a different way.
STKL.
Braga's still ain't in here. Hope he's all right.
STKL.
Sorry, I was on the phone. What'd you say, D?
No, I was saying, well, that makes me feel good that one of my calls actually did somebody else some good.
STKL.
Absolutely. I mean, this thing's such a piece of trash anyway. That when you said you were in, where?
That, but I hit my target, man, so I took it off.
Oh my god, I left $1 there.
I just left $1 there.
Where'd you get out? 34 and what?
When it popped back up
HLLY.
over 34, so hey, 34.08 or so, 34.10.
Nice. Nice. And you said
Okay.
you double clicked the start? Was that on purpose?
Yeah, yeah. I
Awesome.
believed in that one.
Awesome. So you should be
HLLY.
pretty good for right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good start to the day, man. That's
But
definitely a good start. I wouldn't mind
Where did you
doing
RGTI.
another.
where'd you take your first profit?
I took 25 shares, not very far off, just to lock in something.
Yeah.
I've added a 25 share button, which was right as it started breaking down, made me feel better. And then
So you got
kinda
in
leaked
you got
HLLY.
in where? 36 and what?
30. I think my average was 36.50 something. I can't remember what the average was. Somewhere up there, 36.40, 36.50, 48 or something, I think.
Oh, okay. So right after it stayed in that area for
HLLY.
about 3 candles and
HLLY
then it went
earnings.
down.
Yeah, I mean, I got it on 2 minute, but it did stay there for a minute, which is why I ended up taking
Right.
a little bit off as it broke, because I was like, crap, this thing tried to fight
Up.
me.
Good daily. Just watching it
All
for
right.
now.
Yeah. See that? Okay. Fine. So you wrote that down.
HLLY.
Then I wrote it
And
down.
where'd
I
you
mean, I got the majority off down here at 34.58, and then
SMSI.
34.24. I left 100 on, and then I was all out.
Awesome. Awesome. So you got
Good trade, man.
you got about $1.50 with almost
HLLY.
most of your shares.
Yeah, dude, I did pretty good on that one.
Awesome. Yeah, I mean we've seen this stock crash before like this, and when it wasn't going up, as soon as it opened any further, I felt pretty good about it. And then when you said you were in, where you were in, I was like, all right, I'm gonna go. I'll keep a tight leash on it just in
SMSI.
case this is the bottom, but I doubt that it is.
Sweet, man.
So thank you, sir. That just doubled my week.
Dope.
ACDC earnings.
That's awesome, man. That was
SILV
honestly
taking
my
all.
best day of
Grindy.
the week. That
All
one
right.
trade.
Let's head back to Thomas's for Benders.
CLSK is still kind of
SMSI.
rocking.
Yeah, I was hoping for the much bigger push through
IFRX.
6 there.
Yeah, it's interesting chart.
ACDC chart's actually starting to look good.
Is that a cheapo though?
Oh, 13.
SMSI.
God, that would be a cheapo. Could have never heard of it.
IFRX.
I was very confused as well.
You never heard of ACDC?
I've heard of the
Very
band.
well done. Well, this is their stock. They publicly trade themselves.
UIHC shocking.
Not know
Cha-ching.
AC/DC with
Dollar,
the
dollar,
It's
dollar,
not
dollar on way.
That's-
Blah, blah, blah.
ACDC.
It is. It is. Why,
It's not the
why you
band.
gonna
Get
ruin
out of
our
here.
vibes, man?
Because I already looked it up, and I ain't going on with that. Get out of here.
He will not tolerate such nonsense in his chat room. I said, Meta's heading back up. All right, today's a good day. It's good.
Watching this MGNX as well, but I feel like it
It,
gained a lot more, honestly.
it halted before. What else happened with it? I didn't see.
It's kind of grinding up at this point.
I think I should be smart and leave it all alone for today.
Yeah, I've been using pretty small size in my first 2 trades just because I wasn't very confident in how the morning was. Plus, they were bigger companies.
ACDC is huge in Europe.
MGNX also earnings PSA. Not there.
My God. Actually, the 2 that I traded weren't that big of companies. They were both under $1 billion.
Asterisk I am not there.
Yeah, I think all 4 stocks I'm watching right now are all earnings plays. Not too thrilled to throw any kind of size at them. CLSK is just straight up though. Hard to really like the daily though. It
BLND.
doesn't really have any stopping points.
TNXP.
I didn't get the bottom, but I got close to the bottom on that. I don't feel too bad
MGNX at a nice level on the daily.
so far.
BLND. BLND.
MGNX is actually at a pretty key level on the daily. Support and resistance type hits.
Do I want to look at that? Is it super extended?
TNXP.
No, not super.
BLND.
Kind of poopy too.
Pretty, it's got a lot of room considering the price.
Yeah.
50, 60 cents. It's maybe a whole $1.
Those are tough on me, man. Or for me, I should say.
BLND.
Dude, I hate this.
I definitely wouldn't want to see it above current highs though, if I were to think about messing with it.
CLSK just can't stop making new highs.
Yeah, bro, look at that. It's just grinding.
No.
That's the one I traded earlier. I grabbed 10 cents out of it and it went right back to the highs. That's what I was saying. Like, there's ones like, what was the other one?
BLND.
TAST. Like TAST, it tried to bounce, but it's going lower. And I took 10 cents out of it, and it makes me look like an idiot. But then you have ones like CLSK that make me look like a genius. I feel like it all evens out in the end.
Oh Lord, hold on. Can't hear anything. Okay. That was crazy.
GNX broke those highs.
I saw that Froggo was actually had the news on, so I hit it, and they both were going off. It's weird. The YouTube news is literally like only a second behind Froggo now, so like it's not really a big deal if and when Froggo's this thing is done.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy, actually.
It's like literally 1 second behind it. Like they were talking at the same time.
Yeah, I feel like that 1 second's not going to really affect you.
No, if you want to hear the news, I mean, you're gonna hear it, and it'll be in time.
Hear that, Froggo? Your time's limited.
Well, he's cutting out soon anyway. Like we already know that.
I was just being fun.
Yeah. No, I mean, I'd prefer to use Froggo's just because he's in the room and it's a little faster, But I'm saying it won't kill us if he doesn't re-up it. As far as the news
Yeah,
goes.
for sure.
So you'd rather use Froggo's pirated news as opposed to YouTube's pirated news?
Yeah, of course. He's in the room.
I mean, to be fair, at least we know Froggo's paying for it.
Yeah,
Do we?
it isn't the same. It isn't the same.
Yeah.
BLND.
When I was in college,
Bro, we know the guy on YouTube's actually pirating his version of it, Who knows?
you don't know what Froggo's doing.
Yeah.
When I was in college, I remember
I mean, that's
box
true.
attached to the back of my TV. They gave me lots of cable
MGNX.
channels that was basically live.
BLND.
I didn't pay for it.
Yeah. The old black box.
Oh my god, that was awesome.
I think I see one.
Dude, I hate AMD. I think it's real higher
MGNX.
today, but I hate it.
BLND.
In such a fucking place.
BLND. MGNX.
It's rejection there on
BLND.
Is the SPY popping?
Right back up.
Yep.
Wow, SPY recovered that whole move.
From yesterday.
Crazy.
I almost
Yeah,
got the
no,
dip on
yeah.
that, but didn't get it.
MGNX.
Yep.
The SPY.
BLND.
Almost got the dip on the SPY. I think its resistance area is like 452-ish, which means the SPY's got another buck something in it. Yeah, I got AMD on watch, man. God, I just don't like what my stop is on AMD right now. It's down there 112.87-ish, 112.80s. Kind of far away.
UIHC trails and keeping some for swing.
I heard him. I just heard him open.
Argo.
What are we watching, kids?
Argo.
How they
Jesus. The SPY is going right for that 452, man.
Whoa, what the
Guns
heck is the SPY
ablazing.
doing?
Why isn't AMD popping? That's fucking bothering me. I called that 452 level and it's like, okay, I'll go there now. Give me a second. Yeah, AMD is stressing me out with that. I'm not long.
Surd.
I should have longed it.
All out of CLSK.
Oh dang, you
Surd.
long that thing?
No,
Or
not
short,
sure.
or shorted the thing? That's what I meant. I'm sorry. I did not know you were in that, man.
It wasn't
Surd.
that big. I only had two
Okay,
ads.
good. Okay, good.
I was waiting to see what it did.
So you didn't get him full size. You didn't.
Nah.
You didn't go nuts on it. Cool. Good. Good adjusting to what the SPY
Surd.
is doing. I like that. Losses happen, man. As long as you do right by 'em, it's all good, huh? Is that why you didn't add into it? Because it kind of started doing that grind
Surd.
EPS?
Yeah, like my first ad was in the
585, 584, and then when it popped through 6,
Oh, okay.
I added again, and then I was letting it play out from there. If it didn't die, I was giving it to high day.
I think that
Hey, Devin,
Sir.
was awesome. Yes.
I'm watching this MGNX for like that backside type secondary attempt type thing.
I'll look at it in 1 second.
It just had the nice red candle, so I'm seeing what it does as far as bouncing. Look at the SPY. What is that thing doing?
LI's
Making up what is lost the last couple days.
Right.
Yeah, it's a crazy move.
Surd.
She has a big down day. She has a big up day. LI just fucking tanked from the top.
You guys have shorts on BRSH, even though I think
Sir.
it might just end up going higher. Maybe the runner for the day.
What do you mean? I think this CLSK is the runner for the day. Let's see, BRSH. Oh, this dude, it says 170,000 of volume. No, we don't have shorts either.
Surd.
And I don't think anybody in here would be short than that. Pretty sure.
MGNX keeping it green.
I
BRSH.
think I know Thomas and Tim well enough now.
Surd. BRSH. Surd.
Oh, MGNX didn't even give me the pop to attempt it. Just
fell through.
decided to go straight down. Yeah.
I mean, my problem with that one's the way it's trading.
BRSH.
It doesn't really have nice smooth candles. I just don't really like fucking with those. My game, these smooth. It's got a lot of volume. Even though sometimes those will work, they're just feel a little harder to.
Outmost. Stop B slashy.
All right.
I just made a little on BRSH with a long. Quick scout.
Task trails and keeping some leftovers for swing.
Alexa, turn.
Flitter.
www.
Too bad MGNX didn't give you that little pop, Tim.
It never even came close, to be honest. It was just grinding up.
No, then it just sank like a rock.
Yeah, it did.
Didn't really set up for you, though.
Nope. Oh yeah, I guess Jag was talking on the
Yeah,
backside
I
too.
think
Yeah,
so.
yeah. I was looking for the pop back into the trend line there, like 630 or so, or at least up near it. It just never. It didn't even try. It just died. I was watching CLSK for the same kind of thing, but I mean that one made a new high, so it kind of defeated it. TAST, actually the one I didn't have up, did it, where it went up, tried to make a new high, didn't, and then failed. But the meat on the bone on that one wasn't as good as the others.
What did Toast end up doing today? Oh, absolutely nothing. All right, boys. CLSK is just kind of fading. That is not really my favorite type of thing to play.
Alt earnings 2.
AMD pulling back.
ATHX up, nibbled, 1.90 sell lunch, 475k.
You said you're in AMD?
No, just watching it. And seeing what it does from this 113. If it wants to stay up here, break down. Bounce off your 23.6 kind of, huh?
Yeah, I had it up, but
13, 19-ish, which is also the kind of the high yesterday. Not sold yet, man. Not sold.
I freaking accidentally hit the button and just had to jump out.
Sorry, dude.
PGEN.
I got it like way at the bottom of that candle. I was like, that's not what I was trying to do.
It was like you were kind of holding the button and then you let it drop or something.
No, I moved my mouse over and just accidentally clicked.
Nah, damn, dude. I'm sorry.
Yeah, maybe
Shit
$10.
sucks.
It's just aggravating.
Did you say you made $10 off of it?
No, I lost $10.
Oh, God. I thought you said you made $10.
Actually, $7.30 to be exact.
Oh my God.
AMSC up,
I'm sorry.
353k.
Lame.
Watching AMSC.
AMSC.
Guess what? Earnings too.
Hold on. My app is becoming
Apparently
super
it's on
uneventful.
earnings.
That's earnings. Oh shit.
Apparently. It was a little grindy up until this last little candle, but I was hoping for more out of it.
MSC is not
Shares
perceived.
of Western Union pulling back now from the highs, $12.14, up 2.75% on that report.
I do better than that.
Gordon Haskett on an activist in Western Union.
Yeah, I was hoping for like high 930s there, maybe 940s.
Yeah, more like 1040, 1025.
Coming up at 10:30.
I know how that still ends. I stored it and it grinds up another $2.
6 BCF is expected.
We've seen this show.
Ain't it? I'm the main character in every episode.
I am the star of this show, motherfucker. And AMD is not selling me on the short, but I don't know what to do with this. Hey. Maybe long. I don't know.
BYRN Burner Technologies urging Mark Zuckerberg to reconsider ad classification. That's Bravo Yankee Romeo November Michael Echo Tango Alpha. Says following the unexpected rejection of its ad campaigns, Berna is making a direct appeal to Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta, through strategically placed billboards in Los Angeles. That's Bravo Yankee Romeo November Michael Echo Tango Alpha.
Could have took AMSC, I guess. You get in anything, Devin?
Nope. CLSK. I'm watching AMD right now. Maybe for a breakdown on like this VWAP area.
NVAX stalking 171K.
I don't know if I'm loving her today though, man. She's super fucking all those buys pulling back a little bit. I don't know.
AJ, you should have held it. Still here.
Yeah, definitely gotta wait for a breakdown of this area here, below the 80s.
What stock you talking about?
AMD. Yeah, this is not something you would like. Oh, fine.
I'll be back, guys. Good luck.
Later, Jag.
I'm a copy trader. Like that you like it.
You like it if I like it? Yeah, this is kind of a big maybe for me, so I wouldn't. This one isn't as confident as app was this morning. Just saying, I wouldn't bet the farm on this stock.
I'm not trading anymore today anyway. I'm done. I'm trying to get the job done and get out of here. Get out of Jersey. I'm just here for the show right now.
Watching the style. Let's see if she wants to fail here now.
That's another app opportunity presents itself that you just can't pass up.
I want you to know if I see I don't. That's not gonna happen.
No.
Those are only in the mornings, man.
Something that's up
Unless
40%
today goes
pre-market.
crazy for some reason, which I don't think it will.
It's up 40% pre-market. It opens and doesn't do anything higher. That's an opportunity.
Yeah, that looked juicy.
Like, we got the top, and that's all there is to it. Stupid Steve wasn't such a pussy. I would have had a couple bucks in them instead of one. One day, I'll learn to trade.
That's what I always say, man.
Literally,
Every day
I can show you I can show you all my canceled orders. I had like 4 canceled orders, 20 cents lower, 40 cents lower, 50 cents lower, and it just there's no pop at all. There's no pop at all on that thing.
That's why I took it where I did, even though it was just kind of dropping. I was like, I don't think it's coming up. And then
That's
where I
why
took it, it did try to come up for a second. I was like, damn it.
AOI, Applied Optoelectronics, spiking here on volume. That's Alpha Alpha Oscar India.
Yeah, I think I was red about 11 cents from when I got in at some point. That was it.
It's always nice when they go straight down. That feels the best.
Watching AAOI.
AAOI moving.
Yeah.
I put a trailing stop in there. Would have got another 50, 60 cents easy.
A draw of
AAOI
is expected.
AAOI. AAOI.
This stock has really held up
13-ish
the last
orders out.
few days. This AAOI.
Can't see. Where's your order at?
It was at 85, but I'll probably slowly move it up as it doesn't get me.
Yeah, way higher.
Sitting with my bands. $91 now.
Yeah, I'm at 13, 18.
Yeah, it's half size what I wanted originally. If it would have shot up through 13 there on that first move, I would have been taking full size for sure.
This is moving just like the other one did.
Yeah, man. I feel like everything's moving like this. SPY is actually starting to come back.
Are you guys in?
Nothing. Watching AAOI.
Jumped in AMD.
Siri go go.
Ooh, a little too heavy.
Siri is a
BRSH.
1 minute to natural gas storage. A draw of 6
Sirius XM.
BCF is expected. Draw a build of 29 BCF. Build of 29 BCF on natural gas storage. Natural gas futures falling here.
HLLY.
29 versus a build of 25. Correction on that. So that's a
TOMZ halted.
higher build than expected.
321 KTB.
Spies.
ATHX dollar on way.
UMZ Tomei Environmental shares popping here. Tango Oscar Michael Zulu.
I took most of this off at the bottom. I'm trying to see if I want to head back in or just cut this and I'll be break even. Stay weak, bitch.
TOMZ halted. And a
Should have
circuit
left my
breaker at
order
the
at
highs.
91, I guess. Hindsight's a bitch.
Cold.
That pop get you out?
Oh,
Gold is a ETF. Shares ultra short. Can't short.
and then going back up to that, I'll tell you that much. She's gonna get me out, I think. She got me out. I'm basically break even.
Cold.
Lost a little bit, but nothing crazy.
VTGN.
Dude, I was watching it there for that continuation through VWAP, and then right underneath it, it was like holding up right there. I couldn't jump in. It's like, I don't know.
I jumped in when it came down to it, like on that big candle. I'll post it in 1 second. Just I'm watching it for a second.
Okay.
As it breaks back down,
Do
I
you
want
think?
to jump back in.
Pay attention.
Yeah. I mean, can come all the way back down to 111, 1115 or so. It's not as big as it normally is. It's kind of in a tighter range than normal too. Which that sucks. Yeah, I don't know, man. I should probably go pee.
I went and did that.
Huh?
I did that earlier to walk away from it. I was like, I'm going to pee.
And I drank a lot of coffee. I think my bladder's telling me to do something. I'm like, maybe just walk the fuck away. Lately, dude, that first trade of the day has been the fucking one, and then I mean, sometimes I get the best one, sometimes I get an okay one, but then there's not much else for me, which is bullshit. But kind of sick of that. But today, at least, it was a really good one for the first one. But I'm not gonna fucking nickel and dime my way out of a nice big day. Yeah, I'm gonna go pee. I'll be right back. Temptation, get the fuck away.
TOMZ shares moving, 265K now.
And that is why sometimes it's best to walk away.
It's TOMZ if you're looking for something fun to watch. No volume. About to halt. Gap way up and halt out. If you're bored.
Maybe in a moment. Considering what AMD is doing. I don't know. This thing is in such a fucking range. You shouldn't be trading it. Done. This is not my trade. Stop. AMD's been annoying for a couple weeks now. Don't break out or break down. I'm just fucking in this stupid range. Now she's gonna break down. You fucking piece of shit.
SNCE 1.6 MTB. Go 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 go.
Let me see.
That bitch is fixing to go into free fall.
Might be. It needs to pop here though. I don't think it's where it can drop yet. I mean, we'll see. I can't jump into this because I can see it popping back to 113. Or at least 112.88. That might be the candle though. That gets me interested, at least back down here to 111s. Oh shit, she can't jump. Oh no, don't do it.
AAOI, you're such a heartbreaker.
AAOI dollar on way.
I know you're a sweet little heartbreaker.
I don't know if AJ would know that, but as far as me,
100?
as
Siri
far as a
lunch.
Forex
Out all.
account, I don't really know any Forex brokers. Help you with the futures. Futures, I would recommend Apex if you're looking for a prop account. Get back in AMD.
I am debating on it right here. Push, 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 push.
They look for that pop to 70 and fail kind of thing. SPY like had the same exact moves. Things literally trading exactly with the SPY today. I'm new here too. What's your daily goal? I've been trying not to worry about daily goals, but if I had to give you an answer, it would be 100. Just goes to show you how slow it is as of late. I've been taking such small size on everything because nothing's giving me the, hey, take bigger size on this. But I've also started to try to get back to my roots. Really found out I've been losing a lot lately because I've been forcing trades that I shouldn't be forcing, etc. So I actually need to switch my
TOMZ.
Too
TOMZ.
confident. Fuck.
David,
Are you saying something?
Yes, I took this
I have
trade.
an order
I'm
at
telling myself to
120.
be confident.
How many average? Oh, wait. Oh, he to drag this one.
Tomy Environmental Solutions, ticker TOMZ. Shares resume trade, now up 64%.
Kind of holding this up a little bit. Way more volume than anything over here. It's crazy. It's like all the volume for today is in this candle. So if they can start to push this back up, I got a feeling it's going to squeeze into a halt. Or if RT sorted tabs on. Like he's not. Escape from Tarkov wipe happened. So NVAX is kind of doing the possible backside move.
VTGN. VTGN 9K. TOMZ dollar on way. Carrot.
Okay, Spy.
He gave up.
Just a little bit. Hopefully D's in AMD.
Yeah, he's still in it.
LQR House, ticker LQR, shares open for trade at $5.
Well, I hope he's not still in it.
Yeah, you do now.
I was out and I'm back in at 112.60.
Spot bouncing off that.
This is gonna get me out though. Nope. Good lord. Patience. I fucking overcovered at the bottom, which wasn't a big deal because I just immediately got out of it, but I had to buy them sell, which is good I did. Well, no, actually, I would have made money. That was kind of stupid, but I didn't mean to do that, so I'm not going to write an accident. Well, here we go again.
Some size through 0.80 would be nice.
Ticker LQR, shares halted on a circuit breaker to the upside. Stock recently opened for trade at $5.
A little bit there just in case. Needed to fall through 112, and then I can go down to 111-ish.
Carrot re SNC. Yes, sorry.
Oh, she's gonna fall, dude. This is looking so fucking primed to go down. Did you jump in, Thomas?
No.
Kind of did your
SNCE.
blind bullshit too.
Shares
Bounced
spiking here
off that
now to the
lower
highs.
one.
65 cents,
Retested
up
38.2.
54% today. Sandy November
I've been
chart.
kind of checking those. That's why I wanted to go through 112 because that'll be the tank, dude. Nothing
SYNH
below it.
Syneos Health signs agreement with IBKR Clinical Trials, further expanding cattle site program in New Zealand. That's Sandy Yankee November Hotel, SYNH.
Thundering outside. This is going to be a lucky day. I feel like thunder gives me luck. I love rain, dude.
SNC. Starter.
Don't go back up. Just go straight. Damn, this is a shit fest, man.
And dollar.
YET Yeti. Yeti shares hitting more new highs now, up 23% now following their earnings. Yankee
What is
Equitank
Yeti
India.
doing? Yeti's going up.
Grinding.
Yeah. No volume, huh? Alright, I got my stop in on this one. I'm not really willing to let it go up too much. She needs to work. CLSK is kind of holding that move, Tim.
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna create an alert if it pops over this little trend line. Oh, AMD, just don't do it, man. For once, just give me the big move. She's so close to stopping me out. Oh, she got me. That's probably gonna fall. Is there anything else moving?
Not that I can find.
I'm not having like gigantuan luck on this AMD. Like making a little bit, but nothing right now. No. Good lord, this thunder's crazy right now, dude. Here she goes.
NKTR. NKTR. SNCE stop B/E leftovers, coffee time. Hoo at Guru David.
What's the other one I drew the line on?
This one full even.
But it was
Nothing. Right now, I'm patiently waiting for 111.15 or so.
You got back in?
Yes, 112 even. And then my stops. We're done. Make me money. Oof, can't let that gift horse in the mouth. That finally gave, dude. You have to wait for the fucking that. Honestly, it's that one, that lowest, the 61.8 or whatever, dude. That 61.8 finally breaks. You get the flush. Jesus, interesting. Remember I said that the other day.
Trade House, what's up, man? Blessings. It's
All
back
right,
to
that's
you,
awfully
man.
close to my level. I'm down to leftovers. What a nightmare, man.
Starting to see why I changed up how I was trading, that's for sure.
I said all the way back down, huh?
Couldn't tell you. But yes. Kind of, sort of.
That looks a lot like AMD.
Oh, yeah. Twinsies.
Yeah, those two are twinsies today. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this here. Don't be a bitch. Just leave it on.
Fed's Daily says CPI data was as expected. Good news for families and businesses. July CPI does not is not victory of ours on inflation.
I failed to do what I said I was going to
Legalization
do
regulators
yesterday.
open new special crash
But
investigation into fatal Virginia Model
that's
Y
okay.
crash.
With what?
Oh, with my trades. I'm trying to find ways to stay in the winners and actually make the amount of money that I, they potentially can. And it's hard because fucking fear and greed is a legit thing, dude. Not gonna lie, I know I don't let things run against me, but I have trouble letting them run for me too. I do. I want to peel it off. I want to protect the money that I'm making constantly. and I've got to fucking stop. It's how I'm gonna get better. It's how I'm gonna make more money. It's the only way.
Daly said we are committed to getting core inflation down.
Boom.
Says by bringing back
I took
in
costs in
line
there.
with supply, we'll get broader inflation relief.
She can go wherever the fuck she wants to.
Daly's,
There's nothing
San
holding her.
Francisco Fed's Daily says people say inflation is number one concern. There is more work to do. Daly said the rebalancing of labor market is a necessary part of what the Fed is trying to do. Crude is falling here, down about $1 right now, 83.40.
She's good. Yeah, she's came up and got me. That's fucking funny. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta pee like a racehorse. What are we watching, boys?
Nada.
LQR shares resume trading. Now at $6.41. Shares halted
The spy still going
on
down?
a circuit breaker
Let's see.
multiple times now.
I don't have it on the chart.
After IPO
No.
opening.
It's trying to bounce.
That's
Just look at AMD. It's the same thing.
23% LQR.
Yeah, pretty much, huh? AMD kind of played games with me though, man. It wasn't the easiest. That last one was finally the one that gave me a little something, something, but Jesus. Nice pushing up again. You get a lot of rain where you live, Thomas?
You still in or no?
And what?
AMD. It jumped up and got
No,
you.
yeah, it got me. I'm watching it right now. Kind of seeing what it does here at the bottom. So, I mean, I don't fucking know. I think this is where it's gonna bounce, but I cannot want it, dude. Yeah, I don't know what to do with it down here. Probably gonna flatline. Like, just gonna fucking hang out.
NGL.
Guys.
Seeing reports of a huge explosion at a steel complex in Iran, several people injured.
IOBT.
watching APLS.
What's the ticker, man?
APLS. It's slow right now, low volume.
That's all right. I stepped away. Freaking pouring outside. That's off the bottom and a half, huh?
Yeah, I think it might be oversold if you look at the daily.
You think? Yeah, this might be trying to reach some sort of equilibrium here. Like, no volume though, huh?
Nah.
I breaking down, AMD breaking down. Oh shit. See, it should still be an AMD. But I'm a big fat wuss. I'll get there, man. I'll get there. I might have to start muting and just like really focusing, dude, like on some of these trades. It's me, I get in my head, but I gotta figure out a way out of it. That's why I muted earlier, because I talk to myself too much and you guys are going, what? And I'm like, I'm not talking to you.
Yeah, it was like a half of a word, not a whole word. It was like, did he?
I think because I'm talking to myself quietly, so it's not picking everything up, and I'm just going, you know, like,
It's like, I don't know if he was trying to tell me something or what.
Shares halted on a circuit breaker to the
And y'all are low already because I got the radio on, I got the scanner and all that other shit on coming through the same speakers. So y'all are actually lower than everything else.
I gotcha. Dude, there's so much money to be made and shit like this. I'm starting to wrap my head around that I can make more money. Like, it's so fucking hard to do that, dude. And I know I've had great days, but I always kind of come back to an equilibrium where I think it's where, you know, I mean, I've always made, you know, a certain amount of money, and I think I keep returning to that equilibrium. And I'm like, I've got to fucking break that, dude. It's like when you go to the gym and you can't break over a certain bench, you know? I feel like my brain is telling me this is what you should make. And it's really hard to change that. This is crazy, man. I always return to kind of an equilibrium in my trading profits. It's so weird. $9.33. Dude, this fucking weather right now is so amazing. What you watching, Tim?
He ain't even at his desk. Probably going to get something to eat.
Yeah, that's what I was actually doing.
My dog started barking, so I got up to stop him, and then you literally every time I get up decide to ask me what I'm looking.
It's funny too because I do not watch the stream.
But I
so
am getting hungry.
I never know when you're actually getting up. Pure coincidence, man.
It's APLS is trying. I don't even know where I'd want this thing.
I'm with you. I don't know where I want it.
I think that would be a backside play if I tried.
UPLS.
Roger.
Yeah, that thing's fucking rough, dude. That's just rough based on that daily, huh?
Oh yeah, that makes it hard. Unless it's just a
Where's it going?
power move, you know, then it's different.
See if I draw some fib lines on it, it'll give me something. No, let's try it. I just broke over a fib line. Was holding the 23.6, just got over the 61.8, 25.70. Next one's way up at 30 bucks. I am not going to be shorting that here. Crazy thing is how that momentum feels really low, doesn't it? On that APLS. Even though that is good volume. Going to halt. On that note, I'm actually going to go make my food real fast. I'll be back.
I'm with you.
All right, I'm gonna shut the stream down. It's 11:30. Really nothing going on. I'll be in the Discord. I'll be here tomorrow morning, and hopefully it picks up for tomorrow morning because it kind of sucks. Till then, peace.